Alright, I just got my new Crossman Pulse R76 Airsoft rifle for $130. Full metal bodies, 375 FPS on hop up. Very fast rate of fire, 375 clip. It's gonna rip. And now,
fat boy.
we're gonna rip up some apple. Alright,
Fish.
I'm just gonna get this in view. And this gun will exterminate it. Hopefully, but this is very solid, very compact apple. Real. It's gonna be hard, but I'll try.
Take a bite out of it.
Alright.
Take a bite out of it.
Set the camera up. Just hold on one moment, please.
Take a bite out of it. Prove it.
Now,
our goal is to make it in the hole.
say when you're ready, camera assistant.
Ready? We are ready.
Alright.
Launch
You may want
burn.
to get your head behind the camera and towel like you might want it to back up.
Burn sequence engaged. And go! It's being ripped. One by one.
Now,
That apple's being ripped.
alright. Let's inspect the damage.
There's much damage brought upon that apple.
Alright. Here's the apple. Got a nice chunk in there. It's a lot deeper than it looks. There's BBs in the core, very deep in here.
It's probably gonna be cool.
That was very fast rate of fire. That's deep. I will shoot a little bit more on the other side. I'll shoot some semi too, and then I'll go again. All right, take two.
Take two. Shot
Little bit
of
of semi.
Craig, let me try it.
shot 2 of apple. Maggie, get out of the way! We hate you, Maggie. Okay.
Bear.
Apple take 2. Starting now. Maggie's so interested. She's like, whoa.
There's a little semi action. Line it up a bit. And we're gonna go to fall.
Let's go Wait for it.
I don't have too many bullets, so hopefully I have enough to do
Look
some
at
action.
Batman.
If we get damage to this apple. Ready?
And fire! Rip it to shreds.
And we're drained.
We're out of ammo.
Yep, we'll try a little bit more, and I think we're out. Yep, we're out of ammunition. I'll show you this apple. Okay, zoom it out. Stop. Let's see the damage to the apple. Hold on, one second. Alright. The apple has been shredded, ripped, and destroyed by this gun. And we have some dog hair in there, but this is a great gun. I recommend it. Your airsoft back battles are beast. We're sponsored by Trident Layers. Just kidding. And that's all of our video. See you later, folks, and be sure to subscribe.